Right, we're off. Welcome to Find and Fix Garage. Gonna pick up another car today. Got a 2013 Ford Fiesta, deregistered, but I'm getting it dirt cheap, basically free. Yeah, it needs a radiator by the sound of it, ABS slide on. Yeah, that's all I can remember off the top of my head. Oh, it won't start, but we'll figure this out. Yeah. And just a side note, I've got a bit of a project that I might be collecting shortly, so that'll be great. Yeah, car I had when I was young, as we all like to have. Yeah, so we'll show you that later when I acquire it. But yeah, sit back and enjoy the journey.
If I'm being honest, you don't have to worry anymore. You can rest your weary heart assured. You're always safe with me. I promise I will never leave you broken, lonely, missing pieces. You're my one and only. If only you believe. Don't be afraid, you got me. I won't let you down. Fall into my arms, your feet won't touch the ground. As long as the mountain's high, the sun still shines, and the river runs wide and deep. When it comes to us, we'll always be endlessly. If I'm honest, without you I'm only just a man. You see a hero, but you got yourself a cape that's made for flying. Don't stop flying, here I am. Don't be afraid, you got me. I won't let you down. Fall into my arms, your feet won't touch the ground. As long as the mountain's high, the sun still shines, and the river runs wide and deep. When it comes to us, we'll always be endlessly. Don't let go. Don't be afraid, you got me. I won't let you down. Fall into my arms, your feet won't touch the ground. As long as the mountain's high, the sun still shines, and the river runs wide and deep. When it comes to us, we'll always be endlessly.
non-starter. Woo! That is cold. Right, just did that in about 60-70k winds. Cars on the trailer. Heading home, but the GoPro's going to go flat, so we'll get as much footage driving as I can. And see you back. I'll probably go over the car tomorrow. I got a Ford Explorer at the moment. I'm just doing the timing chains on, so for a friend. So we'll have to put this one. It's tomorrow's job. All right, cheers, guys. Enjoy. See ya. Kia ora. Here we are, we're back, the car's back. I've had it here for a couple of days. Yeah, just too busy to get straight into it, but we'll just have a quick look at it, eh? Here it is. It's pretty dang filthy. I couldn't get the boot open. Hey!
Hi.
Little bit of paint swap there. It should buff out. So I'm going to have to replace that. See. Boom. Yeah, she's pretty filthy. So it's deregistered. It's been used as a farm car. Can you tell? There is hay. This will be a very good cleanup. They even have a phone. Shit, imagine if it turned on. She's pretty old, but we'll give it a go, eh? I'll let you know later. Phone holder. This junk. What do I use blue papers for? Randoms. That'll be it. Yeah, there's going to be a few hours going to cleaning this fucker up. I mean, but everything, like nothing's broken. There's a ding here, but it's not major. That's just PPE. I could just peel that off. It says stop stone chips. So it's just, it's bugger all. Filthy. Manual. You got the cool spoilers and reasonable wheels. Bit of oil everywhere. At least it's not going to rust, eh? It comes with a key. I'm not sure if this is the key for it. Let's give it a go. Oh, it is. Oh, he only gave me this one, but that was still in it, so that's great. Oh, we're in gear. Gas, so it tries to turn over, but it doesn't start. Join me while we figure it out. So we're just going to start with the simple stuff. Fuses. So I've glanced at these, and I've got the right battery with the wrong post, so I've just put some bolts in there for now, but I will get a proper battery. I've got one, but it's far too big for it. So all these larger, like your 40s and your 30s and 60s, they do not look blowing. So that's a good start. So let's check these. There is a very common fault where the throttle body wires on these, there's a wire in the loom somewhere, and the wire just burns out or something. So, and the guy has said that he thinks it's something to do with the throttle body, so I may have to go hunting for that, because it was a recall. Oh, it was a recall, but we haven't, it may not have been done. So they're all good, and it doesn't appear to be any missing. We'll put that back. And we'll check a spark plug. He said he cleaned them up. How he cleaned them up, I do not know. Oof, that doesn't look too good. It's a bit crooked. Yeah, smells like fuel. And it's wet. He's cleaned them up, but they look like they were quite dirty. Yeah, and the spark plugs aren't that old, and we've got leads, so I suspect we got fuel but a weak spark. So I wonder if it's actually coils. That would be nice. Very easy to change. Right, let's just test for some spark here. Actually, we'll check all of these while we're here. That's 4, 3. Again, I don't know if you can see that. I say that a lot, don't I? Yeah. Fuel, it's wet. Four, 3. Yes, I'm doing it backwards. 2. Yep, wet. Oh, that one's really wet. It is saturated. Yeah, actually, it just spat a shitload out. That might be the problem. So that's resting it, it's earthing. Now tell me, is it sparking, please? So we have spark, but right, we're back in the shed. It's the next day. I have gone over it quite a bit, checked the fuses inside. I checked, just come over here and I'll show you this. I've checked, these are a common problem, all these wires here. I've checked these. Usually it's the top one, the throttle body one, that's all fine. I've had the throttle body apart, I've checked in there, I've tested the motor, it works, verified that, and then what else did I do? That's about it, yeah. And then I thought, fuck it, I'm gonna go to the parts place tomorrow and get a coil and an ECU to try. Yeah, so, and I thought, oh, actually, I don't know, I'll just check the timing, check the belt, and this is what I found. It is yeah, cracked like hell, ready to let go. There's quite a bit of, you won't be able to see, there's quite a bit of play. It should be tight, but this side here should be very tight. Yeah, right there. I'm moving that real easy. So maybe it's jumped a tooth. So we'll just verify this timing, and just figure out where the fuck top dead center is, and go from there. Oh, there it is.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Right there.
Yeah.
I should be able to undo that as is without removing the axle, hopefully. 10 mil.
That's a 10 mil here.
It's 8.
Oh, 8.
10.
10 mils right here.
Yep, that's right.
More than this. There you go, Dad. You got 2 lights.
Right.
Over there. Oh, getting rid of
Fat fingers in the way. Right, so we need a longer version of that.
longer version of 10.
This is what it looks like. You want, I'll just find a bolt that's longer. Yeah. Spare bolts.
Got plenty of bolts.
So we're going to need it to be longer, but not too much longer, otherwise it won't fit in behind that axle. I bet you this is going to be a weird thread or something. Just so you've got to buy their tool.
Hopefully not.
Looks like
That.
the one. It's a little bit longer, but we'll give it a shot. There's a longer one as well. But the thread will bottom out.
Yeah, it's true. Sounds like a farting.
I promise I'm not farting.
Moving some stuff.
Something with polystyrene I'm standing on.
Coming down. Going for the adventure, guys.
Actually, I need a 14, please.
Okay. Over here. Go.
Yeah.
It's a 14. Ugh. Right here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Right, let's go for an adventure again. Into the dark hole tunnel. Whoa. You can't really see it from under here. Somewhere up there.
Alright, let's see.
Hopefully this works. Oh, look at that rustiness.
Oh, immediate.
Right, that's
Right on TDC. Cool.
there.
Right. Holy heck.
Holy hecker.
Look at that. It might
Wowzers,
be.
guys. You see that?
It's a time. That's, I know.
That's not good.
That's got to be way out. And it,
I can't even see it under there. There's a gap.
I can move that.
Wait, stop. Oh, yeah, that's bad. I can move it.
I think it's causing the timing to go out of work. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Look at that.
Yeah.
So these here, these two gears should be in line, parallel. No way, they're way out.
Wow, they are.
Yeah. Look here and here. If I look here, this over here,
You need to.
this here, I'm pretty sure should be in line with that, and it is. That's in line with the tooth out. There's the mark there. See that that vivid mark on the wheel? That is actually where the timing is. So it's a whole tooth out on the exhaust.
Right there.
Wow.
That's not good, is it?
No.
Wow. Need to get to work.